Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, right now we are living in ashram, practicing devotional service in sadhu-sanga, but there are many examples from Srimad Bhagavatam and other literatures where devotees like Jada Bharat or Bilamangal Thakur who have practiced devotional life without sadhu-sanga. Or there are many people who may be practicing not in a community like this. So how does they achieve perfection? Or for them, what is the scope for them, and how does it happen to them? Like, how do they become pure devotees?
See, you have to mature, we have to mature ourselves to respect other sadhus, to behave, to relate with others. It does not necessarily mean that if somebody is not doing it or not having the opportunity doing it, does not necessarily mean that he has, and if he is properly situated, does not mean that he has understood and gone through that stage somewhere else, maybe in previous life. So he is so mature, he knows how to respect others, his perception forms very easily, and it's a question of externally you may see that he is not going through that. And also apart from that, the story of Jada Bharat, they are all meant for bringing forth different messages of spiritual life. Jada Bharat was not, we are not, our spiritual master has not asked us to follow Jada Bharat, but he has asked us to take the message from Jada Bharat. What you understand the principle that how ultimately matter and material things are not, they are not real. So we understand those things from each Leela that you see in Bhagavatam. And so Bilamangal Thakur's case, everything began with sadhu-sanga only. His whole journey was triggered by a prostitute. She had some piety to tell that why you are so attached to me, you should be attached to God, to attach to Krishna like this. To say that, she must have had some qualification to say that. You wanted to add something, yes.
Well, Jadabar's instruction is to worship the lotus feet of other devotees.
Oh yeah. Mahat Seva. That is it, that Pada Rajobhishekam. This is the essence of his message, is to worship other devotees. Right? So that answers that.